Ever wondered if AI can truly do anything? Can it write a Shakespearean sonnet, compose a symphony, or even invent a new scientific theory? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Gemini, a cutting-edge AI model, to explore its capabilities and limitations. Gemini is a powerful AI model developed by Google. It's designed to excel in a wide range of tasks, from understanding and generating human language to performing complex reasoning and even interacting with the real world through robotics. But can Gemini truly do anything? Let's break it down. Understanding Gemini's strengths. Language mastery. Gemini demonstrates an impressive command of language. It can translate languages fluently, accurately translate text between numerous languages, capturing nuances and cultural context. Write compelling stories, craft engaging narratives, poems, and even scripts, showcasing creativity and understanding of literary devices. Summarize information concisely, condense lengthy articles or documents into concise summaries, highlighting key points and maintaining clarity. Engage in conversation, hold meaningful conversations, answering questions, providing explanations, and even offering opinions. Reasoning and problem solving. Gemini excels in various reasoning tasks, including solving mathematical problems, tackle complex equations and mathematical proofs with impressive accuracy. Analyzing data and drawing insights, identify patterns, trends, and anomalies in datasets, enabling data-driven decision-making. Playing strategic games, demonstrate strategic thinking and decision-making abilities in games like chess and Go. Creativity and innovation. Gemini showcases surprising creative potential. Generating novel ideas, brainstorm new concepts, products, and solutions to challenging problems. Creating original content, compose music, write code, and even generate unique artwork, pushing the boundaries of AI creativity. Exploring Gemini's limitations. While Gemini's capabilities are impressive, it's crucial to acknowledge its limitations. Bias and fairness. Data bias. Like many AI models, Gemini can reflect biases present in the data it was trained on. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outputs, particularly in areas like gender, race, and socioeconomic status. Addressing bias. Researchers are actively working on mitigating bias in AI models through techniques like data debiasing and algorithmic fairness. Hallucinations and inaccuracies. Confabulation. Gemini can sometimes generate plausible-sounding but incorrect information, a phenomenon known as hallucination. Importance of verification. It's crucial to always verify information generated by AI models, especially when making critical decisions. Lack of common sense and real-world understanding. Limited general knowledge. While Gemini can access and process information from the real world, it may lack true common sense understanding and the ability to apply knowledge to novel situations. Embodied AI. Developing AI with embodied intelligence, allowing it to interact with the physical world, is an area of active research. Ethical considerations. Job displacement. The rise of powerful AI models like Gemini raises concerns about potential job displacement in various sectors. Autonomous weapons. The development of autonomous weapons systems powered by AI presents significant ethical challenges. AI safety. Ensuring the safe and responsible development and deployment of AI is crucial to mitigate potential risks. The future of Gemini and AI. Despite its limitations, Gemini represents a significant step forward in AI research. Continued advancements in areas like explainability, making AI models more transparent and understandable to humans. Robustness and safety, developing AI systems that are more reliable, resilient, and resistant to adversarial attacks. Human-AI collaboration, designing AI systems that work effectively with humans, augmenting human capabilities rather than replacing them, will be crucial for the responsible and beneficial development of future AI systems. Gemini is a powerful AI model with the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. However, it's important to approach AI development with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both its strengths and limitations. By addressing the challenges and ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.